I'm Chaim Argaman, the owner of Arcana Windows Doors. We sell and install windows and doors for the residential market in GTA. Our IT is in the cloud, our team is distributed, and we are accessing all the time everything from everywhere on multiple devices. We needed one solution protecting everything everywhere, and we find with Armour360 one solution, centralized, and everything taken care of. I would definitely recommend Armour360 as an integrated and affordable solution for my cybersecurity needs, giving me the peace of mind to focus on running my business.